Hey everyone, welcome to Electric Scooter World. If your Ninebot scooter isn't working as it should, a reset might be the solution you need. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to reset your Ninebot scooter. Be sure to follow along so you don't miss any important steps. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the process, make sure to check our recommended Chickaloo electric scooter bag after watching this video. It's a durable and waterproof storage solution that easily attaches to your scooter's handlebars. Perfect for keeping your essentials safe on the go. You can find the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, make sure your scooter is turned off. If it's on, go ahead and press the power button to turn it off completely. Now that your scooter is off, it's time to reset it. You'll need to press and hold three things simultaneously: the brake lever, the accelerator, and the power button. Press and hold all three: brake, accelerator, and power button. Use one hand to hold the brake lever and the other hand to hold both the accelerator and power button for 5 seconds. Make sure to keep holding until you see the red light appear on the Ninebot scooter display. Once the red light appears, you can release all three. The scooter will power up automatically, and it should now be reset to its default settings. And that's it. Your Ninebot scooter has been successfully reset. This should resolve any issues you were experiencing. If the problem continues, check the scooter's app for any firmware updates or reach out to Ninebot support for further assistance. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Electric Scooter World for more scooter tips and tutorials.